True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Yeah, man, big up on yourself when I watch from yard and abroad. I'm in St. Elizabeth. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from yard and abroad. If you don't know that location, yeah, you can't say it because I'm just taking a drive. Don't know if I can reach into the Cheddar Beach area. Yeah, man, see the sea there. Where I am at, I can see way over into the Cheddar Beach area. Yeah, man, so thank you all for stopping by. This is the day after the hurricane hit Jamaica. I think it's Beryl. Yeah, man, Beryl. Yeah, man, Beryl. Yeah, man, Beryl. Yes, bossy. Wagwan. What that area name? Where area name? Bacon. Manners. Yeah, man, thank you very much, my people. So I'm in Bacon. Yeah, man, I have to make sure say we get the name correct, you know. So I'm in Bacon in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. See going down here. Yeah, man. Going down this hill in Bacon, see a lot of things down. Yeah, man. No St. Elizabeth. People are feeling it all over. But St. Elizabeth get a big hit. So I'm taking the time out, showing how I go on from in the Bacon area. Yeah, man, see a lot of roof that come off of the people in them house or contain or anything at all. People have chop all them for them house top. So them get a beat down here. Most of the houses on the main here, see the top them kind of come off. So a lot of damage in this area. Back in the days when you drive through them place here, you just bush up, you don't really can't see far. But now we are see a lot of different things, you know. Yeah, we are see way over in some places we would never expect to see. So take a view of this area. Leave it in the comment section. If you're from Bacon, if you know this area, if you have a family in this area, leave it in the comment section. At the moment, a lot of people can't go reach out to other people because they have phone issues with the cellular towers, the cell towers and things. Catch on them and people. When JPS are come back at them place, yeah. What go happen? No tell me no. Help me figure out what go happen, man. It not pretty at all. It not pretty, man. You not pretty. That's all I can say. It's not an easy road. Yeah, man. Not an easy road. fittest are going to survive, you know. See, that's why I'm telling you, say, all the man in control of your father God, you know. So no matter where you feel, say you live, where you come from, or the house where you have, all of we are one same way. And we look out for each others, you know. Look for water, my people, water. Water for the people, them property. Be careful now, my people, now, young kids in the place, so to make sure, say, to secure them from them water here because don't want any form of danger for the kids them, you know. So protect them, protect them. Protect on the people them, you know. So I see we are in the Bluntas area. Bluntas. Yeah, I see a sign mark Bluntas. So yeah. Bluntas area. Heading towards, I think it's Cheddar Beach. beautiful fence, yeah, man. Tear down. Just tear down, so. Oh, me people, no, nah, man.